Hello everybody, this video will be about the BlueDriver Bluetooth. I had a full video details. I'll put link description about this. I found it very useful and it's about like $100 or so on Amazon. I'll put link description where to buy it. But about this 2000 Lexus RX 300. This vehicle has 5 different codes. So the codes are kind of related, the issues related to each other. So like oxygen bank 1 sensor, sensor bank 1, sensor 2, or the air mass sensor, which is what I'm gonna do now. So just to show you the simple way how to hook up this one to your vehicle and to find out what is wrong. You can have this like if you buy and sell cars or something, or you have your own car, you're trying to find out what's wrong with your vehicle. This is the best tool to scan your vehicle and find out, tells you what's wrong so you can fix it yourself. So all the vehicles, this is the OBDII II connections, all of them are beneath there. You can find it very easy, some of them white, some of them black. This one, however, it's here. So all you need to do, just pull this protection cover and you can see it here. All you need to do, put this one back, like it goes only one way, as you see. It's just one way, and push it this way, hook it up. You can see the blue LED light is on. That means it's on now. So if you have any smartphone, all you need to do, just download the app, BlueDriver app, which is this one here. You can see BlueDriver. Click on it. Now this one is fully update. It has a lifetime update. Turn your vehicle on on position. So you got 2 options to scan your vehicle. You can turn on the vehicle just like so. On. You don't need to start the engine. Okay. Second option, you can start your vehicle and it will give you even more live data, details, everything about your like RPM, the sensor, and so on. So much things you can tell. So you can enter a new vehicle here, cancel, or keep this vehicle. I want to keep this vehicle. This one, as you see here, your vehicle set a 2000 Lexus RX. You know, I'm just going to keep this vehicle. I'm just going to read code, for example. So you got options, check engine light, common dash light, all system. You can do this one, all system manual. This one will take about, maybe it depends on each vehicle, so approximately takes about 5 minutes. Now it's searching, and I'm just gonna pause the video until it's 100% done scanning, and we'll see what code we got. Okay, so right now it's done. Took about almost like 5-6 minutes to scan everything, complete scan. Now you can enter a new mileage or you keep it as it is. I'm just gonna keep it as is. Continue. So far this device found 7 codes. So here you can see the first code is P0171, system tooling bank 1. If you click on this one, it tells you a little bit more details. This is very common, and the code, this is tooling bank 1. This code is very common on 2000 Lexus RX 300, and this is the 12 possible causes for this, as you see here. Vacuum liner, PVC valve hoses, intake, and so on, mass airflow sensor, air take, and so on. Fuel filter, fuel injection, fuel pump, brake booster house, exhaust leak, oxygen sensor, and so on. There are 5 reported fixed here. You can buy whatever it says here. So if I click here, for example, this will take me direct to the Amazon. This is the mass air sensor, this one also, and you know, so on. And also here from the Amazon, and so on. This is a video. Report your own diagnostic. So you can click on this video. Also, the video shows you and how to fix this problem. So
some of the most common symptoms of a lean condition may include a lack of engine power, rough idle, stalling, maybe misfires, hesitations, stumbling, just about anything along those lines performance-wise. So we're going to go ahead and get started by checking for codes. The The easiest and most obvious way to identify lean condition your vehicle is by reading codes with your BlueDriver scan tool. We're going to connect to this truck right now. We're going to read codes and see what we have. I'm just going to do a check engine light scan. And we've got a P0171, so that confirms that we've got a lean issue on bank number 1. So we're going to look further into that. We're going to use our BlueDriver scan tool live data to look further into the issue, maybe identify where exactly the lean issue is. We'll have a look at our fuel trims and just have a good idea of what's going on from there. So the first thing is for everything. What this is telling us is that the vehicle's ECM is dumping more fuel in. It thinks the truck is running super lean, it thinks it needs more fuel, and it's overcorrecting, so this is going to cause really bad fuel mileage, it's going to cause poor performance, maybe it's going to, the exhaust is going to smell bad. Alright, so a normal healthy vehicle is going to have a long-term fuel trim roughly less than plus or minus 9% or so. On this truck, we're start the engine back up right now. We'll be able to hear that as well. So I'm going to get Jordan to start the engine up and we'll...
Okay, so this is a video shows you how to diagnose this such problem, because there are so much possibilities here. As you see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 7, 8. So there are 12 possible causes for this issue. But what I'm going to do, I'll start with the easiest one to find out. So if I start the engine, okay, now the engine is started.
Waiting for Perry.
And I'm just gonna go back again and
Paired.
try to go to the live data. If you have any problem connecting the app to the BlueDriver, unhook this one, hook it back again. Here you can see connect. Now start connect to the sensor, found BlueDriver 2.39. And we'll see how long it's going to take to connect. Update the app, simply go to more, update sensor, check for update. We'll see if it needs maybe update. And it says current version and available update. See, you need to update now, connect. And this one says BlueDriver 1 connect. Now it's update completed. Okay, see, if I go to the previous report, save reports, this is the last scan I did. This one, the most recent. You see here, 6 engine and transmission. Those are the previous codes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll just go to the live data. Okay, click here, all. You see the active ones, all are already checked. You can uncheck or check. Okay, so I'm check them all. Here I'm gonna click all, and we'll see what we can read and see. So you can choose more. Like if you go here to setting, and you can choose all of those and then delete whatever if it's not necessary, or you can choose the active ones. So yeah, so if you choose all here, you see, if you choose all of those ones, and then this is the supported ones you can choose, like engine, you know, those ones, for example, you know, this bank 1 sensor 1, sensor 2, and let's see, so I'll choose all the, it's better to choose less than 5. Okay, this is active ones, so supported, and then go back again and we'll see. So we got wide range oxygen sensor, bank 2, intake temperature 17 Celsius, vehicle speed, I don't want this vehicle speed, so I'll just click, hold, delete this. Let's try again. Okay. For some reason it does not want to work. Okay, let's hold, delete. It does not want to delete. I don't know why. Okay, anyway. Okay, for some reason it's just doesn't want to work. Let's go back again. Let's close the app and open again. For some reason it's stuck. I don't know why. Okay, let's open it again. Okay, live data. Wait a little bit until everything is loading. Now, so I'll try to avoid some of those so I can read data easily. I'm gonna delete this, delete this, I don't know why it's not working. Okay, let's try to, so the oxygen sensor, engine RPM, you see, way below 5, you don't even, it's like 400, it's below 500. Engine temperature 63 only, because I have a problem with the the thermostat. So the thermostat need to be replaced. That's why it says 63. The car has been running more than about 20 minutes. So let's delete this. Okay, let's go here, supported. I'm gonna fuel, calculate engine load, engine temperature, and the engine RPM I don't need, engine speed I don't need, a vehicle speed I don't need, this one I don't need, intake temperature I don't need. Okay, so I'll keep those ones for now. Let's see here. Oxygen sensor, voltage, oxygen sensor. Okay, let's go back again. Okay, now we got some reading here. This is oxygen sensor bank 2 voltage. If I press on the gas, accelerate, you see bank 1, it's 0 volts. You can see, oh no, we got some reading. RPM is 2000. This is bank 2, bank 1. Now, how about, this is the mass airflow. No, this is the, yeah, this oxygen sensor bank 1. The bank, this one does not read, so I'm gonna delete this. And mass airflow sensor, you can see 12.3 gram per second. Okay, so long-term fuel 8. This one, short-term fuel bank 1. See, it's 0. Here it says 0. Now back to the normal idle. Let's try again. Nothing. Those, they don't change. I don't know why. I'm gonna delete them. I'm gonna remove them so I can read a little bit more better. Let's see if we can see any change on those two numbers. Short term short-term fuel, short-term bank 1, bank 2. Nothing. So let's delete both of those. Okay, press and hold. 1, 2, both of them gone. I'm just gonna keep the rest. So let's see. Long term. Now, I don't know much about those live data. I'm trying to learn a little bit here and there, but this is what shows. Long term, when I press on gas, 1000, now it's 0. Release the gas, and it's 3.1%. Long term, on idle, 2.3. When I press the gas, become less, 1.6 at 2000 RPM. This is the mass airflow sensor, 1.7 gram per second, and those are the wide range, and so on. So pretty much long term. Yeah, so that's what data is giving me. So as you see, this vehicle starts with one code, but because I've been driving it for about a few weeks now it's giving me almost like this is the save report. 1, 2, 3, 4 codes. Okay, so if you know anything about this, what's going on here, about this data, please write your comment below. Let us know what can cause those issues and codes, or how to troubleshoot, diagnose, and find out where to start. Thank you so much for watching. For now, all the best, and hope to see you next video.